I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your GeoSIM is active and you have a stable connection. This avoids settings not saving. Open the MyGeo app immediately after confirming network. Once opened, sign in with your Geo number and OTP. Make sure the app is updated because older versions hide language options. If the app asks for permissions, grant them so notifications and settings are accessible. Once you're logged in, move directly to the profile or settings icon to locate language preferences. Now navigate through the menu, tap Profile or the three-line menu and select Settings or App Settings. These labels vary by version. Next, look for Language or Notifications, sometimes nested under Regional or Preferences, because message and alert languages are grouped together. Once found, tap Language and you'll see available options. Choose your preferred language for both App UI and notifications. Be intentional. Selecting a regional language changes templates and alert text, so pick one. After selecting the language, always tap Save or Apply to commit the change. Then close and restart the MyGeo app so updates reload. To verify, wait for a system notification or send yourself a test alert if available. You should see notification text in the chosen language. If it did not change, clear the app cache in phone settings, then reopen. If that still fails, reinstall the app and repeat the steps. Make sure your SIM is active and the correct number is logged in to avoid language mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.